The 10 most dependable luxury SUVs to purchase post-warranty in 2026. And the top choice will completely surprise you. Consumer Reports and J.D. Power have just revealed what dealers are desperate to keep secret. Most luxury SUVs become money pits the moment warranty coverage ends. Except these 10. I've collected genuine owner service records showing 200,000 trouble-free miles, interviewed mechanics about which models they personally endorse, and analyzed failure data that reveals the real story. Before you spend a dime, subscribe immediately because this video could prevent a 20,000 disaster. Let's kick off with number 10, Porsche Cayenne. Conventional wisdom says Porsche equals pricey repairs and endless breakdowns once warranty ends. Incorrect. A properly configured Cayenne will easily surpass 150,000 miles with no major headaches if you adhere to the service intervals. Motor Trend ranks this SUV in their top reliability bracket for premium brands, and the numbers support it. Under the hood, you have engine choices that count. The base turbo V6 delivers ample power for daily use. Upgrade to the twin-turbo V8 and you've got serious muscle. The turbo hybrid? That's 729 horsepower in a family hauler. But here's what keeps this machine running long after coverage lapses. Avoid the air suspension entirely. Opt for steel springs and conventional setups. Air suspension seems sophisticated until it malfunctions. Then you're facing $4,000 per wheel to repair. The cabin feels costly because it is. Top-grade leather throughout, that signature Porsche center stack, and tech that reacts instantly to inputs. Now here's your real-world maintenance outlook. Perform transmission services precisely when your technician advises, not based on the owner's manual. Plan for Porsche-approved tires because standard ones can't manage the mass and output. Pros? Demonstrated transmission durability with correct servicing. Base V6 provides solid performance. Steel suspension outlasts the vehicle. Build quality matches six-figure competitors. Retains value better than rivals. Cons? Air suspension runs $4,000 per corner. Porsche tires cost $1,200, €1,800. Options pile up quickly at purchase. Cooling system work isn't inexpensive here. Premium fuel required. No regular gas option. Use 2018 to 2021 models. 32,000, 52,000. Number 9. Lexus GX460. This is the SUV technicians purchase for their own households. Body-on-frame design means it's constructed like a truck, not a crossover faking capability. That 4.6-liter V8 is iconic in the Toyota reliability universe. We're seeing 250,000 miles on factory engines and transmissions without major overhauls. This isn't about cutting-edge tech or quickest acceleration. This is about firing up every morning for the next 15 years without issues. It'll pull 6,500 pounds, tackle legitimate off-road terrain, and still arrive at dinner in leather-lined comfort. The trade-off hits you at the pump. 15 city, 19 highway with conservative driving. The cabin tech feels a generation behind rivals. No giant touchscreens, no digital clusters, just physical controls that function flawlessly. Dependability stems from simplicity. Your service schedule is basic but crucial. Use the severe duty intervals, not the normal schedule because severe reflects actual driving. Verify timing belt service records before buying used since that's a 1/500 job you want documented. Pros V8 regularly hits 250,000 miles. Truck-based construction equals genuine durability. Simple electronics minimize failure points. Parts are affordably available nationwide. Holds value better than European brands. Cons. Fuel economy is awful at 15 city. Infotainment is 10 years behind. Ride is stiff compared to car-based SUVs. Third row is tight for grown-ups. Timing belt service is 1,500 and mandatory. Use 2010-2023 models. 27,000, 48,000. 8. Audi Q5 and SQ5. This represents the Goldilocks zone of Audi's range. Not oversized like the Q7 with its problematic air suspension. Not cramped like the Q3 that feels uncomfortable after an hour. The revised powertrains in these exact model years resolve earlier problems. The SQ5 generates 349 horsepower and reaches 60 in 4.7 seconds. Step aboard and you find typical Audi aesthetics, minimalist lines, a digital instrument display that's genuinely functional, and materials that feel pricier than the sticker suggests. Yet every vehicle has weak spots, and the Q5 has two you must plan for. Water pumps fail around 80,000, 100,000 miles. That's an 800, 200 fix depending on the shop. The thermostat housing goes around the same time. That's another 500, 800. Here's what distinguishes intelligent Q5 buyers from those who face massive bills. Replace the transmission fluid every 60,000 to 80,000 miles. Audi calls it lifetime fluid, which is accurate if you consider lifetime to be 100,000 miles before it begins slipping. Pro's SQ5 acceleration competes with actual sports sedans. Cabin materials feel upscale for the price. 2018 Plus models resolved earlier issues. All-wheel drive works effectively in bad weather. Independent shops can service them reasonably. Cons: water pump failure is predictable at 80K. Thermostat housing is 500, 800. Lifetime transmission fluid myth creates problems. Premium fuel is mandatory. Ignored examples develop costly electrical gremlins. Use 2018-2023 models. 22,000, 42,000. Q5 and SQ5 owners. Would you buy this again after warranty or change to another model? Share your total miles and most expensive repair bill below. 7. BMW X3. This is the precision instrument of luxury crossovers. The engine-transmission combo in these particular years ranks among BMW's finest modern efforts. The performance version makes 382 horsepower and launches to 60 in 4.4 seconds. That's quicker than most performance cars from a decade ago, and it does it while hauling 5 people and their gear. The handling is what sets it apart from softer competitors. This isn't a vague, disconnected SUV experience. Inside, you get pure BMW design philosophy, sharp digital screens that respond immediately, supportive seats that keep you planted during aggressive cornering. But like any BMW, there's a service reality you must accept. Oil changes every 7,500 to 10,000 miles. No excuses and no delaying to save cash. Spark plugs require replacement near 60,000 miles, or you'll experience misfires and rough idle. The water pump might need replacement around 100,000 miles. Set aside $800 to $200 for that work. Pro's engine is bulletproof with proper care. Handling outshines everything else here. Cabin materials match luxury sedan standards. Performance trim is genuinely quick at 4.4 seconds. Reliability is strong when maintained correctly. Cons: water pump replacement is $800–200. Lifetime transmission fluid claim is deceptive. Spark plugs are costly at BMW dealers. Premium fuel is required. Maintenance is pricier than Japanese rivals. Used to him with an 2023 models. 26,000, 47,000. 6. Lexus RX 500h. Most folks assume hybrids are sluggish and dull. The RX 500h proves them absolutely wrong. This performance hybrid generates 366 horsepower, reaches 60 in under 6 seconds, and achieves high 20s mpg in daily use. Lexus reliability dominance isn't hype here. Forecasted reliability ratings put this at the top of the entire luxury SUV segment. Slide into the cockpit and the first thing you notice is the hush. The sound deadening is so effective that exterior noise practically vanishes. Materials throughout feel more upscale than German rivals priced 20,000 higher. But there's one minor gripe to note. The base 4-cylinder engine sounds somewhat coarse and unrefined under hard throttle. Here's your long-term ownership checklist for success. Follow the hybrid service schedule exactly as written. No cutting corners. Confirm all maintenance records to ensure the prior owner actually serviced it. Pro's hybrid packs 366 horsepower with economy. Forecasted reliability tops the segment. Cabin quietness beats German alternatives. Materials feel 20,000 more expensive. Resale value outperforms everything. Cons: base 4-cylinder sounds coarse when stressed. Hybrid battery replacement is pricey if required. Premium fuel is recommended for optimal performance. It's not engaging for spirited driving. Third row is tight for adults. Use 2020-2024 models. 32,000, 52,000. RX 500h owners, is this worth buying after warranty, or would you just lease instead? State your model year and current odometer reading. Mercedes-Benz GLE 450. This is where Mercedes finally addressed reliability after a history of electrical disasters. The 2020 Plus models feature updated drivetrains and electrical architecture that function properly long-term. The turbocharged inline-6 delivers 362 horsepower with buttery smooth power delivery. The air suspension in these newer versions is vastly superior to the prior generation. The cabin is pure Mercedes opulence. Dual screens stretching across the dash, 64-color ambient lighting, and massaging seats that genuinely work well. But here's what demands attention. The air suspension, though improved, still runs 2,500–3,500 per corner when it ultimately gives out. Your maintenance reality includes these truths. Oil changes with Mercedes spec oil aren't cheap. Expect $150–250 at indie shops. Air suspension should be budgeted for eventual service. Pros: 2020 Plus models corrected many electrical faults. Inline 6 with mild hybrid is smooth and strong. Cabin materials are best in class. Air suspension is plush for long drives. MBUX system is feature-packed once mastered. Cons: air suspension replacement is $2,500 each. MBUX infotainment has a steep learning curve. Premium fuel only, no regular option. Brake work is pricey due to heft. Indie shops need Mercedes-specific training. Used 2020-2024 models, 38,000, 62,000. 4. Acura MDX Type S. This is Honda engineering dressed in luxury trim with real performance. The Type S Turbo V6 churns out 355 horsepower and 354 lb-ft of torque. 0-60 occurs in 5.4 seconds, which is legitimately rapid for a 3-row crossover. The super handling AWD system isn't marketing fluff. It genuinely routes power to individual wheels for enhanced grip. The interior volume is huge. 3 rows of genuinely usable space for adults, not merely kids. But here's the Acura edge that counts. Honda dependability paired with premium features at a reduced cost. Your service checklist is simpler than German luxury SUVs. Oil changes every 7,500 miles with synthetic. Transmission fluid every 60,000 miles despite Acura's longer interval claims. Pros: Type S acceleration is legitimately fast. SHAWD genuinely sharpens handling. 3 rows with real adult room. Honda reliability with luxury features. Maintenance costs 50% less than German rivals. Cons: Type S demands premium fuel exclusively. Badge prestige trails German brands. Resale value lags Lexus equivalents. Steering feedback is less sharp than BMW's. 3rd row entry requires effort. Use 21-22-2024 models, 40,000, 58,000. 3. Genesis GV80. This is the luxury crossover that amazes drivers who actually try it. The 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 generates 375 horsepower and 391 lb-ft of torque, 0-60 in 5.1 seconds flat. The interior is where Genesis truly embarrasses rivals, costing $30,000 more. Napa leather throughout, genuine wood accents, and a 14.5-inch touchscreen that's actually user-friendly. But here's what sets Genesis apart from legacy luxury marques. The warranty is extraordinary. 10 years, 100,000 miles on the drivetrain. 5 years, 60,000 miles comprehensive. 3 years complimentary maintenance included. Brand perception is the sole real drawback. Your ownership considerations include these points. The twin-turbo V6 demands premium fuel for correct operation. Oil changes every 8,000 miles with full synthetic. The included maintenance means oil changes and rotations are free for 3 years. Pros: twin-turbo V6 belts out 375 horsepower. Interior quality matches 6-figure luxury crossovers. 10-year powertrain warranty is unmatched. 3 years free maintenance is standard. Used prices are amazing due to depreciation. Cons: brand recognition isn't fully established. Depreciation is initially steeper than German brands. Premium fuel is mandatory for the twin-turbo. Air suspension will eventually need costly service. Dealer network is smaller than established brands. Use 2021-2024 models, 35,000, 55,000 tolerance. 2. Porsche Macan S and GTS. This is a sports car that coincidentally has 4 doors and cargo room. The Macan consistently scores among Porsche's most reliable luxury crossovers. The Macan S makes 375 horsepower. The GTS pumps out 434 horsepower. 0-60 in 3.7 seconds for the GTS. But straight line speed is only part of the equation. Hit a mountain road and it'll shame purpose-built sports cars. Here's the direct comparison to the Audi SQ5. Both reach 60 in about the same time, but the Macan feels more precise and connected to the tarmac. Open the door and you discover classic Porsche design. Your ownership regimen demands discipline. Maintain transmission fluid service on schedule precisely. Budget for Porsche spec tires and brakes because they're pricey but essential. Pros use GTS reaches 60 in 3.7 seconds. Handling dynamics routinely shame sports cars. Dual clutch transmission is durable when serviced. Cabin materials match 911 quality. Forecasted reliability is strong for Porsche. Cons: options can total 15,000 easily. Rear seat is tight for tall folks. Cargo room is smaller than rivals here. Porsche spec tires run 1,500 per set. Air suspension is costly when it breaks. Use 2017-2024 models, 32,000, 58,000. Macan owners. Would you trust this beyond 100,000 miles after warranty ends? List your model year and if you'd keep it long term. 1. BMW X5. The revised engine and gearbox in these exact years boast one of BMW's finest modern reliability records. Actual owners are exceeding 240,000 miles on original engines and transmissions with zero catastrophic failures. The performance version generates 375 horsepower and reaches 60 in 4.6 seconds. The interior is where the X5 truly leads this whole lineup. Huge room for occupants and gear. Upscale materials throughout that feel genuine. The ride strikes the ideal balance between plushness and composure. But here's the critical factor for keeping this dependable post-warranty. Stay with the inline-6 engine. Your complete maintenance regimen demands dedication. Oil changes every 7,500, 10,000 miles maximum. Don't push it further. Spark plugs around 60,000 miles or you'll suffer misfires. Water pump may need replacement near 100,000 miles. Budget $800, $1,200 for that repair. Pros: water pump may need replacement near 100,000 miles. Budget $800, $1,200 for that repair. Pros: inline-6 engine is bulletproof with upkeep. Interior space and quality tops this list. Ride quality blends comfort and control perfectly. Cargo capacity is biggest in the luxury class. Real owners regularly hitting 250,000 miles. Cons: water pump replacement is $800, $1,200. Lifetime transmission fluid claim is deceptive. Premium fuel is mandatory. Brake work is expensive due to size. V8 option adds complexity and expense. Use 2019-2024 models. 35,000, 65,000. There you have it. The 10 most dependable luxury SUVs worth buying after warranty in 2026. Post your choice below with model year, mileage, and costliest repair. Best tale gets pinned. Subscribe now because more reliability reports drop weekly. If this saved you from a 20,000 blunder, hit like. Comment with the luxury crossover you're eyeing, and I'll advise if it's worth your cash. Thanks for watching.